Welcome to the web portal from Yikes. First, let's sign into the web portal. Next, we'll see the dashboard and go to the main menu where we have several selections. Today, we will create a new stay, but first, we have to learn if Brad, our guest, has already registered his account. In this case, he is not yet registered, so we'll create an account for him. Simply type in his name, email address, loyalty number if he has one, and telephone number. Next, we will select his arrival date and departure date with the check-in and check-out times set for default. We'll also enter the reservation number. Once tapping Save, we will now see that Brad Pete's reservation is all set, except he needs a room number. We'll go to Assign a Room. In the PMS, you have already selected a room, and we'll tap that same room number on this floor plan. We've selected room 121. Now, 121 next to the room number has been reserved. However, Brad tells us he would like a different room number. He'd rather be on the second floor, room 234. Once we assign that room, it's now reflected on his reservation. Let's go back to the main menu. And we're going to review all stays at your hotel, and we see that Brad's stay has already been confirmed. From this screen, you have several actions that you can take. One is to reassign the room, the second is to edit the dates or the check-in times. But in this case, the reservation is just fine and there's no need to make any edits. So let's go back to the main menu. And in this case, we're just wanting to search for a guest. We'll type in several letters of the first and the last name and hit search. And we find Brad because we've just completed his record. If we wanted to add a stay for Brad at this point, we would select again the check-in date and check-out dates. And in this example, we'd like to modify his checkout time. Brad would like to stay at your hotel just a few more hours. Once we type in the reservation number, we'll hit create, and his reservation will be all set. However, Brad still needs a room assigned. In this case, his room number 357 has already been assigned in the PMS, and now it reflects in the Yikes portal. But Brad decides he'd rather be on the second floor, so with one easy click, he's now in room 234. So let's go back to the main menu. And we've completed our reservation. Thank you for joining the Yikes portal demo.